garden and fire. No place to run from water to out the fire. Let me go, spring garden and fire. No place to run from water to out the fire.
Hello, fellow Toastmasters and prospective members. My name is Richard Terrelong, the Vice President of Education of Next Generation Toastmasters Club. Thank you for joining me this morning in Dover Beach in sunny and COVID-free Barbados. I want to present you with a terrifically important but unappreciated benefit of your Toastmasters membership. I am referring to Toastmasters badges. I should also point out that my ability to create this training video is a direct result of completing a Toastmasters Pathways elective project. Let's get started. We are now going to move into Toastmasters.org to examine our badges. I'm going to open my browser, which happens to be Firefox. Open whichever one you have. And in my case, I'm going to use the Toastmasters logo that I've set up here. You could also type in Toastmasters.org in the address bar at the top of your browser. I will use the logo I've set up. Once you're at the Toastmasters.org main screen, we're going to, right in the center here, we're going to click on the word Login, and I'll get the login screen. We'll enter our username, our member ID, our password here, and then we'll come down here and press Login. You'll know you're logged into Toastmasters.org when you see Welcome followed by your name. You'll move down a couple of lines and go to the word Pathways here. Click on that. A drop-down will open up and you'll move to Go to Basecamp here and click on that with the mouse. Once we've done that, we're now at the Pathways main screen, and the item we're concerned with is this box here in the center called Access My Path through Basecamp. Move down to the selection box and make sure it has the correct club you're interested in at this point. Go down one further line and click on the words Go to Basecamp. Once we've completed that action, we are now at the Basecamp main page, and we're mostly going to be concerned with where it's down here on the right, which says My Badges. I want you to click on the words down towards the lower right that say My Badges. This is going to allow us to explore the various badges that you've earned in Toastmasters. You'll notice on my screen at first, up in the upper right, there's a badge symbol with the number 23. That indicates the number of badges that I have earned in the Pathways program. You may also notice that some of the badges have numbers on them indicating the number of times I've earned that badge. So for example, in this case, this is level 3 achieved. I've achieved 3 different level 3s in Pathways. This is my level 2 badges, and I've received 4 level 2 badges in Pathways. Now what I really want you to pay attention to is, as an example, this badge here. This badge says Motivational Strategies Proficient. Now it does not mean I am more proficient than you in motivational strategies. What it indicates is that I am more proficient today in motivational strategies than I was the day before I started this path in Pathways. Over here, there's another one like that, and it says Presentation Mastery Proficient. Again, it does not mean I am more proficient than you at presentations. It indicates that I am more proficient today than I was the day before I started Pathways. By displaying and talking up your achievements at home, you role model to your children and your family the benefits of a lifelong dedication to self-improvement and achievement. Second, if you allow your employer to become aware of your achievements, you reinforce the fact that you are not the same employee they hired, but someone who is increasingly valuable to their drive for revenue, profit, market penetration, and outstanding corporate citizenship. The return on their investment in hiring and training you can and should be of increasing value to the organization. Awarding and being awarded for achievements at club is an important motivating factor for continued membership and achievement. I'm now going to show you how you can give awards to the members of your club who are doing outstanding things for you and for the club. The first thing I'm going to want you to do is to go up here to the box labeled search, and in it I want you to type the name of a member of your club who has given outstanding service to the club. I've already gotten permission from this member to use her name in this video. Lisa Yard, and you'll notice it's found her already and she is listed as a member. So I will click on that and it takes me to her Basecamp profile page with some information about Lisa that I may or may not have known. I want you to go to the feedback tab up here, click on the word feedback, and then we're going to get to a place where we can provide some positive feedback for Lisa. You will be sure to check, but you will notice her name is still here, meaning she is the one that's going to get the feedback. If I come down to the feedback line, first thing you will see is my picture, because I've uploaded my picture into Toastmasters, and then I have the ability to write a little note to Lisa to share the feedback. So I can say, whoops, not all caps, thank you for your contribution to Next GEN, the name of our club. Then I'm going to go down a couple of lines and I'll see a selection box where I can indicate who I want to see this feedback. Normally I say everyone, because if it's good news I want everybody to know it. But I can click on it, the feedback can go just to Lisa, can go to the executive of the club, or it can go, as I said, to everyone in the club. I'm going to select everyone because it's good news, so why not let everybody know the good news. Next thing, I have the option to share a document with Lisa. This document could be a certificate, a picture of a ribbon, it could be a letter, a note, anything that I can digitize can be attached as a file and sent to Lisa. And finally here I have a badge icon, and that's where I can send Lisa a badge for her work for the club. So I will click on that, and what you will notice is 6 badges that you can use right now. The first one is adaptable, the second is collaboration or collaborative, courageous, exceptional, innovative, inspirational. So those are the badges I can award right now. You'll notice some empty space here, and I assume Toastmasters may be adding more badges as time goes by. There's also an arrow in case they don't have enough room for all the badges that they're going to add. Then I click Post, and in this case everyone will get the feedback. She'll get feedback, and she'll get the badge, and she'll get the badges. So when I click Post, whichever badge I sent to Lisa, she'll get, along with any other feedback I sent to her. Our hope here at Toastmasters that your improving skills will allow you to give back to your fellow members, your community, and society in ways that will provide exponential benefits to all that come after you. Thank you very much for joining me, and be sure to click like and subscribe to help the circulation of this video.